I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a cut lemon in hand, so act fast. Pat the exposed flesh dry with a paper towel to slow moisture loss, and squeeze a little juice over the cut face to restore acidity and protect color. Once done, press the cut sides together if keeping halves, or cover the exposed surface tightly. Make sure to choose a storage option now, wrap with plastic, use an airtight container, or transfer to the fridge for immediate use. Now you seal and refrigerate. If using plastic wrap, press it directly onto the flesh to eliminate air pockets. If you prefer eco options, use beeswax wrap or an airtight container where the lemon sits cut side up. Once done, label with today's date so you track freshness and put it in the coldest part of the fridge, not the door. Make sure to keep it away from strong-smelling foods because lemon will absorb odors and lose its bright flavor. To finish, decide whether you'll use the lemon within 3-4 days. If not, extract the juice and freeze in ice cube trays, or grate and freeze the zest in a small bag. Both preserve flavor longer. Once frozen, move cubes to a sealed freezer bag to save space. If you notice any mucus-like texture, mold, or an off smell, stop and discard the lemon. Safety over salvage. You'll avoid waste and keep your recipes tasting fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.